welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are on matrix, taking determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. We just finished a tutorial on that. We want to take equation involving, or we can say 3 by 3 determinant involving what? Equation. I think let me take it that way. So we are seeing a question this way, given that we've learned that if you see a bar placed before and after a matrix, it means determinant. So this is the determinant of this particular matrix is giving us an answer. So what do you think is the value of k before we are getting what? 58. So we are going to take it that way. Don't forget, we have plus, minus, plus. If I want to pick the first row, so using row 1, I'll be having 2 as an element. Let me take it as a determinant, covering all this and this. So I'll be left with 1k minus 2 and 3. This is going to minus, then minus 5. So it becomes plus 5, covering all this, and the top I'll be left with 3, 1, minus 2 and 3, right? Then I have plus. That plus will come before the negative. So negative 1, taking the determinant of all this going, the top going, 3, 1, 1 word, k. I should be able to get what? 58 if I find this determinant. So we put the 2 out, multiplying the leading diagonal. Leading diagonal, which is going to be what? 3 minus the other diagonal, which will be minus what? 2k. So what do? We take this one to be plus 5 into bracket, leading diagonal, 9, other diagonal, minus 2, minus 1, leading, 3k, minus the other diagonal, 1. So you should be getting 58. Inside this place will be plus. So we expand. 6 plus 4k. Inside this will be plus. 11 times this, 55. Minus times this, minus 1 times this will be 3k. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1, all must give you 58. I think I'm seeing common factor. K, constant. So let's maintain our 4k minus 3k on the left equals to 58. This guy is going here to become minus 6. This is coming to become minus 55 plus what? 1. It can't be plus 1. It should be minus 1 because this is also plus going that way. 4 minus 3 give you 1. So k equals to, I'll prefer to bring this one closer to this to make it 58 minus 55. I'll be left with only 2, right? No, 3. 3 minus 6. We have what? Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1. You get minus 4. So the value of k that make this determinant to be 58 is just what? Minus 4. I believe you get the concept. If you have not followed this well, you can visit my previous videos where we deal with what? 3 by 3 matrix in detail. Then come back and watch, and it will be easy for you. Subscribe if you are new. Like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.